I get asked a lot, do I even need a lawyer if I'm under a criminal investigation? The answer is you may not, but the truth is you may just want one. So I get consulted by people who think that they're under investigation, and there's a lot of questions, what can I actually do? Well, it just depends on the circumstance. A lot of times if law enforcement's been to your house, have asked questions, left a card in the door for you to contact them, it's a general sign that there is an investigation going on. And if you received a card from an investigator, they want to talk to you, and you think you may have something that you don't want to discuss with them, then it is best to get a lawyer. Remember, you have a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, and by hiring an attorney and speaking to law enforcement, you are actually invoking that right. And it makes it much more difficult for law enforcement then to try to get statements against your interest to be used against you. So hiring an attorney, you can kind of have them act as your shield between you and law enforcement. Now that may not stop an arrest, but if an arrest happens, if you have an attorney already retained, they can be at your first appearance. Now, other things that attorneys can do for you if you're under investigation is do a lot of fact finding. Find out what the issues are, how deep law enforcement is involved, and to see, quite frankly, if there's something that can be done before law enforcement has to make an arrest. There are times when there's just a misunderstanding and things can be sorted out. So those are a few examples of why hiring a criminal defense attorney while an investigation is pending is going to be helpful to you. Now, if you have any other questions about criminal defense work, read my book, My Loved One's Been Arrested, What's Next? It's available on our website, or you can click the link below.